Frida, honey? Frida! Oh, honey. Oh, oh, did your ear hurt? Oh, what's wrong? Get your pot, honey. Get your pot. Oh, oh, baby girl, what's wrong? What's wrong, honey? Oh, baby girl, what's wrong, baby? Oh, okay. Are you okay? Get your pot. Get your pot. There's your catnip. There's your catnip. Are you having hallucinations, honey? Are you having? I'm sorry, baby. Oh, my baby's belly. Oh, a little pot belly. You really are a pot belly. Oh, Poochie. Oh, sorry. Oh. I love you, baby girl. Don't fall off. Don't fall off. Don't fall off the bed. Oh. Frida. Oh, Poochie. Look at my baby's belly. Look at my baby's belly. Look at that. Oh, honey, don't fall off the bed. Okay, I think this is... honey. Okay. Oh. Are your ears okay? Oh, honey. Oh, 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 my goodness. Oh, oh, oh. Yes. Let's see what's going on with your ears, okay?